Musa Mseleku was humiliated by his wives on awards day. They called his name and he says to Makumalo and Mangwabe, let's go and receive the award as Musa Mseleku's wives. What they are doing at awards day, they know that they don't want to support him because they have supposed to stand up, the four of them, and go and support Musa Mseleku. But they didn't do the same thing because even Macele remained sitting because she saw all of them, they are sitting. And tomorrow they were blaming Macele that Macele, you want to be a good person to Musa Mseleku, what. You know that Makumalo have to stop the thing to impress Mangwabe. She have to know that she came on that marriage alone. Because to be friendship with Mangwabe, I think Musa Mseleku made a big mistake to marry Makumalo and Mangwabe. They are friends. I think it's not good because when you are in polygamy, your wives are friends. They are planning sometimes to do something. It's not good to you. Makumalo, guys, look aside like this. Musa Mseleku says, let's go and receive an award. You feel humiliated. I think even at the end of that day at awards, Musa Mseleku was not okay because the way he feel humiliated by his wives, and it shows that they don't respect him. Even Makumalo, the way guys, we don't want to lie. Makumalo, yes, Musa Mseleku wronged Makumalo. If Makumalo, she doesn't want to be on that marriage, we told her that you have to leave the marriage. She doesn't want to leave the marriage. What they are doing on ours day, if they know that they can't support him, understand what they are doing, they have supposed not to come on ours day if they know that they don't want to support him. Because guys, you can be humiliated by people. You say you have to go. That award was not Musa Mseleku's award. That award was all of them, the six of them. Even Makwela was not there, you understand, but that award belongs to all of them because they are playing a part of Utando Nestembu.